Here's a quick demo of my mobile app. This is done in Objective-C. I built it in Xcode. And I even did my prototype in Objective-C and Xcode, so this week went by pretty fast for me. I have 4 buttons on the main view. I added a custom image for the background. So what we're looking at here is you click this button and you see this view, which gives you some basic information about what organic non-GMO is. Standard back button. Another table view with a list. Also a search filter and this all works. And you can search by either fruit or veggie or other. High pesticides, another list of these are all the foods that have very high pesticides in them. GMO foods, another list, and you can search the search filter or cancel and go back. So that's my quick demo. I built my prototype in Objective-C and Xcode right from the start. So that went really well. What did not go so well was I had a lot of computer issues this week where I had to do a lot of troubleshooting, had to get a new external hard drive, just a lot of technical issues with my computer this week. I found what was best represented by native iOS elements was the toolbar, the navigation, and the navigation buttons. These are all standard iOS. The list views in the table. This is actually a UI table view, which shows a list that's standard iOS. Element or buttons. These are standard buttons that I customized. I customized with a color, and I also added a small graphic icon. The other customization I did is I added a background image. Everything was easily translated into Objective-C for the most part because I created my prototype in the Xcode project using storyboards. So it was actually very easy for me this last week for my assignments. It was really interesting. It's something I've never done before as far as going right out in the field and usability testings in a formal way where I had a better idea of what I was doing. Of course, I've done testing in the past, but it was based more on my intuition on what to test for. This is my first time learning how to do it formal way that is documented, and I was able to learn from other people that do this type of work for a living as far as, guerrilla testing and usability testing. And I did enjoy it. While the only part I didn't enjoy was that I did get a little bit stressed out with my schedule, trying to fit everything into my schedule while having issues with my computer not performing the way it should, and having to, take my computer into the shop, and it's been in and out of a shop for a few times this month. I'm happy with everything this month. There was just a few stressful moments there.